My name is Cornelius. I work at Salas O'Brien. I'm an electrical designer. I've always been fascinated on how things work and the different parts and how they all kind of come together. Engineering kind of seemed like a good way that I could put all these things together. Currently, I'm working on a consumer product labeler. We're installing a new electrical machine into the building so that they can have a more efficient device in their building. We do a lot with collaboration with other companies. We get to converse and have different ideas on how to install this machine into the building so that the client is happy. Embrace challenges so that as you go through these different learning experiences, you are making yourself more known to the product and the client and the customer and all the different things that you are working on. Curiosity will just keep you spurred on and will give you the passion to increase in your knowledge. Salas O'Brien helps team members achieve their career goals by just the people you work with. The mentors that you have are really helpful when you're trying to learn and grow in your career. I like to be outdoors, swimming, kayaking, different things outdoors, just to get a nice breath of fresh air after being inside for after a while, and just to have an open mind, and fresh air is good.